project I'm doing today is a bow for a Christmas tree. It's a filigree bow, and because of that I want to make sure that it's kind of flexible and that it's going to be cut from something that really cuts with a nice sharp edge. So what I've done is I've applied some sparkly vinyl. It's very, very smooth, nice pretty blush pink. And what I've done is I've applied it to a piece of overhead projector film because that's quite flexible. So I'm going to try cutting that on my machine and I'll come back and show you how to assemble it. My pieces are cut out. I've also got a little strip of acetate because I figured this could be used to hang it up. And I've punched a couple of little holes in there. So we have the first piece, and I'm just going to put a clip through here. It's just one of these little two-pronged clips, split pin I think they're called. Put the next one on. So we now want to put this one on and that one there. Now if you just wanted a bow like that, you could always put a gem or something on the front of it. This on here, wrap it around. It's so easy to put together. And there's another little hole. It kind of fits in with the filigree design, but there is a hole there specifically for this clip. If only I can push it through. There we go. And then you have a choice about where you want to actually put these on. Now I decided, I've still got a little piece in there. There we go. I decided to put my little hole here, about halfway along on the short edge. Line those two up together and to put those on the back like that. So I'm going to do it one at a time. I think it's probably going to be easier. That one through there. Through there. So you could always alter the position of the holes if you want to, and I think that's actually pretty good. So now I can use this. You could use a nice silver thread, you could use cotton candy type thread, anything you like, and just open up the wings there and you are done. Now that is just going to pop out like so. And there we have our really rather pretty Christmas bow. Hope you like this one. The great thing with this design is if you have the ability to draw or do patterns of any sort, you can just use the outside shape as your base and do any kind of cutouts that you like. Alternatively, what you could do with this one is you could do it from acetate, but actually stick the bits that came out on, instead of having this here, you would have the clear acetate with the bits sticking onto it. And I've got loads of little bits, just show you a few here. And because they have got this glitter vinyl over the top, the back of them is silver glittery and the front is pink glittery, so you could actually use them as sort of like confetti inside shaker cards and things like that if you wanted to. If you're going to use every last scrap, you could definitely do that. So there we go. I hope you like this one. I will link the file down below, and if I'm in a creative mood, I might even do a couple of other different designs within it. So you'll just have to take a look at the file and see what's there. The link will be for a Dropbox. You don't have to have a Dropbox account. The file is free. I give all my files free. You can just download it and play with it and cut it. Thanks for watching. Take care now.